Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. How's your life? I hope you are doing well and stay healthy in the pandemic situation. Keep your spirit even though we just study at home. I'm Widya from English Education Department, Class K2 Maritim Raja Ali Haji University. Today, I'd like to explain to you about journal article. The title of journal, the use of podcast in improving student speaking skill. The author of journal, the three author including the first Ahmad Bustari, the second Iskandar Samad, and the third Diana Ahmad at Syah Kuala University. Well, the table of content about journal will be I explain first part of introduction, second find methodology, third finding and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, let's get started. Well, the first I will explain part of introduction. Speaking is widely known as an ability to share thought, idea, and attention to the other people by using a language in oral form. Speaking plays an important role in communication. In most of non-native countries, for example, China, Vietnam, and Indonesia, most students may find speaking English in a good level of functional is difficult. This this is an evidence when the researchers observed with an interview teacher at Senior High School 11 of Banda Aceh, Indonesia. A teacher at this school argued that the student face some difficulties in expressing ideas, choosing a correct structure, lack of producing appropriate vocabulary, and producing correct pronunciation. This problem occur because the students have a less effort to speaking activity. What possibly could help students to the perform appropriately in speaking is by introducing an alternative media, the podcast. The podcast in the podcast is an audio or video file that is uploaded to the website, where the website user can download it to the internet freely. This can be listened on any device that support MP3 or MP4 file such as on a computer, smartphone, and MP3 player. The podcast gives chance for teacher to support to support The podcast gives a chance for teacher to support students in developing a speaking skill. Okay, the second methodology. In the methodology, there has four parts. The first, population and sample. The population of this research is the second grade student of SMA Negeri 11 Banda Aceh. To select them, the researchers use a lottery technique to pick the sample of this research to avoid bias. From this technique, it is selected that 30 female students of the class 11 is 3 as the research participant. Okay, the second instrument. The researchers collected the data by using a set of an oral test for pre-test and post-test. The pre-test was given to this experimental group to measure their ability prior the podcast media treatment. Conversely, post-test was conducted to measure the student achievement in speaking after applying several treatment. And the third technique, data collection. In conducting this research, 5 meetings were organized, including a pre-test, 3 treatment, and a post-test. Okay, the last one is technique of data analysis. For data analysis, the researchers analyze students' score based on aspect of speaking proposed by Brown, where for each component of speaking was categorized into 4 band scales. In addition, the researchers recorded their speaking in every test. This helps the researchers analyze their speaking performance easier. The third, finding and discussion. This study was aimed at finding out whether the use of podcast media in teaching can improve students' speaking skill, especially in fluency and pronunciation, as described in the research background. That students found many difficulties in speaking performance. They could not express ideas, speak plainly, use right structure, like producing appropriate vocabulary, and produce correct pronunciation. However, after doing several treatments, it solved the previous problem encountered by the student was solved, especially their fluency and pronunciation became better. Previously, they made mistakes, but after they had rehearsed to reconstruct podcast every week during treatment session, a number of students saw a satisfactory progress in certain aspects. For example, in the free test, several students produced incorrect pronunciation and not fluent in speaking when they had enough practice in treatment session. They can solve this problem calmly in the post-test. Meanwhile, some other students also made the same improvement in more than one aspect, including vocabulary, grammar, and expressing ideas. Based on the explanation aforementioned, it is flawless that implemented podcast media can increase student speaking skill, where the result so statistically significant was found. In addition, student can enhance their speaking aspect by practicing to reconstruct the podcast talk that they have heard. Furthermore, the researcher also found that the application of podcast media in the class made the student more active in practicing speaking. For instance, the student felt a bit nervous and less confidence in performance their speaking in front of the class. But after rehearsing a lot in treatment session, they become calm and better than the pre-test. Okay, and the last one is conclusion. The researchers concluded that the podcast media demonstrated positive fruition on student speaking achievement. In addition, this media could avoid students' problem in speaking, such as incorrect pronunciation and not good fluency, where this problem only pursued them unpacked a score to face minimum completion. In the test conducted by researchers, obviously after first test was held, the students' scores was increased. It implies that their speaking performance have improved given this point, applying podcast media in teaching speaking saw positive result in assisting students to improve speaking performance, especially pronunciation and fluency. Alright, I think that's enough for my presentation. If you have any question, please feel free to interrupt. That's all the time I have for today. Thank you for your kind intention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.